In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share your name and a photo in iMessage. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and the first step, head over to settings, then scroll down until you find the messages, and that's where you should tap at share name and the photo. Then tap at choose name and the photo, and that's where you can select between your avatar, your profile picture, or you can hit at these three dots to get a lot of different options of what you can set as your profile picture. I'm gonna use that one. Then I'll hit at continue. On that step we can select a filter, or I can keep this photo original. I'm just gonna hit at continue, and it asks if we would like to use this photo everywhere, like at your Apple ID or my card in contacts. You can hit at not now or use, and then you can change your name in that way. Just remove the existing and then write down new one. And once you've done with that, you can scroll down and choose share automatically feature. By default it is set to contacts only, but you can switch it to always ask. I'll select contacts only and hit at done. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.